Hello and welcome to Colscopters. Today we're reviewing the Esky Honey King B2 radio controlled helicopter. This thing is 6-channel. It can fly upside down. This is inverted flight. It's got a massive gyro stabilizer. It's belt driven tail rotor. If you can see down, as you can see, it's so sunny today and bright, you can just see the tail rotor's belt drive system. It's got a full rotor head. It's the collective pitch. It's got LiPo batteries. As you can see, all the 6-channel receiver there, and the servo at the back which controls the rear tail. If you look up there, it's a little bit too windy today to fly this helicopter since I've not got used to it yet proper. As you can see, look at that. It's a bit choppy really, but nevertheless, I'll show you. This is the control system. There it is there, very nice control system. And it's got hover and pitch, trim and whatever else it's got. Okay, because we're not going to take off today, as I just showed you there with the weather. So we're at ground level and we're just going to fire it up a little bit, just get it going. That's it. This is it. I'm not sure if my camera will be able to show you this proper. The wind's absolutely pushing it. But we can have a look around the helicopter. When it's windy like this, or you've got long grass, I always use a board like this. It's easy to take off, but I think if we put some rubber on there or a bit of sandpaper, the helicopter will stick to it there. This is a decent sized helicopter. It's running low on power at the moment. It's not fully charged either, as I was only just showing you. This is my little airport here, you see. Okay, might open the throttle out a little bit more. Only a tad. Whatever you do when you're messing around with helicopters, always remember never to grab the tail. Right, we're about a quarter of the way now. The blades are spinning. I think the blades spin about 2,000 revs per minute. I'm not sure if the camera will be able to pick that up. It'll probably look like they're going really slow. Just to prove it, watch. You shut it down. There you go. Just remember folks, this isn't one of these toy helicopters, this is an actual proper. Let's check the wind a minute, see if it's alright for takeoff. The wind's dropped a bit. It's dropped now. Alter it a little bit. I used to mess around with a lot of nitro petrol helicopters, but it's such a nightmare. You just get clogged up. Let's check the wind system again. We're clear for takeoff. It's getting a bit too choppy now, folks. You can get closer. rear rudder. You can see the workings. There we go, power down. Once you turn the power off, make sure the controller is actually down on the throttle, and also be very careful. See, disconnect the battery. Once you've disconnected the battery, as you can see the controller is still on, then turn the controller off, then you're safe then. If you do it the other way around, I always find if you turn that off first, that can get a signal, you see, and interfere and take your do some damage to the helicopter and yourself. This is Colscopters. Hope you've enjoyed it. And as soon as we get a bit more practice on the helicopter, we'll take it up in the air, and soon we'll be taking this plane up as well as into the air as well. But unfortunately, the weather keeps changing, the wind. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks very much. And that's from Esky. Thanks very much.